Okay, okay, okay. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. No. Okay, 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 okay. Wait. Okay, 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 okay. You see my puppy, I'm just trying to work with the computer. She not let me to do it. And she said, play with me, when I put my computer in front of me and I just want to type it, she just come in, try to, push my hands and my fingers. They said, leave the computer, play with me. And now I just give the piece of the fabric. She can play with that, and I just want to carry on my typing. Let's see, what she done it, You can see what you see. You see? She's sitting, and now that's the puppy, and she just look at my hands. I'm working with the computer. Daisy, she's angry because I ignore her and she want to play with me. I need a job to do. She said to me, leave the computer. I can't, I need a work. And she's angry. She just biting my, cover bed. No, Daisy. No, Daisy. She complained, what you want, Daisy? She look at the camera the other side. I put the camera the other side, which is recording. I'm sitting work with the computer. I can move my record the camera the other side. Daisy, look at the camera other side. Yeah. Is camera other side? She want to play with me. She complained. Daisy, do you want to play with the computer? But don't ruin my, writing, okay? Here, come here if you want to play with my computer. Yeah. You see, she's bringing, the clock. This is her clock. She always play with that clock. And now she brings that color all the time, you know, throwing over my hands, which I'm typing, you know. Daisy, look at the camera, other side, Daisy. Daisy, look at the camera. Daisy, can you see the camera? Daisy? Daisy, can you see the camera? She just ignored. Daisy, what are you doing? Daisy? Okay, let me take the camera. They have a stick. I can move it from that side to other side. You see? Okay, I need a work to do, Daisy. Leave me alone. Go play with yourself. Bye-bye.